Novitas Solutions, a CMS contractor, welcomes you to the On-Demand Education Series. This on-demand tutorial is a general summary that explains certain aspects of the Medicare program, but it is not a legal document. The official Medicare program provisions are contained in the relevant laws, regulations, and rulings. The information enclosed was current at the time it was presented. Medicare policy changes frequently. Links to the source documents have been provided within the document for your reference. This presentation was prepared as a tool to assist providers and is not intended to grant rights or impose obligations. Throughout this module, you will see a citation number behind certain elements of information as shown in the example below. This citation number coincides with the transcript document positioned next to the Play Now icon you selected on the Training Videos Click and Play page on the Novitas Solutions website. The citation and associated hyperlink to the resource described in the module will be found on the transcript under footnotes for each slide.
Novitas Solutions On-Demand Education Series presents Provider Enrollment Gateway, Submit a Development Response. Provider Enrollment Gateway. The Provider Enrollment Gateway allows for online submission of paper-based enrollment applications. You can upload enrollment applications, upload development responses to enrollment application submissions, request a copy of enrollment correspondence, and check the status of a previously uploaded application. For more information, visit our Provider Enrollment Gateway Help Guide. Enrollment applications. The Gateway accepts only the following paper enrollment application types in portable document format or PDF. CMS 855A, Institutional Providers, CMS 855B, Clinic Group Practices and Other Suppliers, CMS 855I, Physicians and Non-Physician Practitioners, CMS 855R, Reassignment of Medicare Benefits, CMS 855O, Eligible Ordering and Referring Physician and Non-Physician Practitioners, CMS 20134, Medicare Diabetes Prevention Program Suppliers, CMS 588, Electronic Funds Transfer Agreement, and CMS 460, Medicare Participation Agreement. All other application types can be submitted via Provider Enrollment Chain and Ownership or PACOS or by mail. Development. Development is a document requesting any missing or incorrect data elements and/or supporting documentation needed to process an enrollment application. This process allows us to retrieve all necessary information for successful enrollment into Medicare. You can only submit a development response in the Provider Enrollment Gateway if the initial application was submitted via the gateway. To view the Provider Enrollment Guidelines and Regulations, visit the Medicare Program Integrity Manual, Publication 100-08, Chapter 10, Medicare Enrollment. Submit Development, Step 1. Now, we will walk through how to submit a development response in the Provider Enrollment Gateway. First, you will access the Provider Enrollment Gateway. Review the terms and conditions, and if you agree, select Accept. Submit Development, Step 2. You will provide the National Provider Identifier, or NPI, state in which you are enrolling, and email address. Make sure the NPI is the same NPI used to submit the application. Select the Submit Development Response box and click Email One-Time Access Code. Submit Development, Step 3. The access code will be emailed to the email address provided. You will have to input the one-time 6-digit access code. The access code emailed will only be used for this transaction and will expire after 30 minutes. Submit Development, Step 4. For the next step, you will have to provide the document control number or DCN that was assigned to the application. The DCN is indicated on the development letter. If the DCN and National Provider Identifier or NPI combination is incorrect, you will receive an error. Browse your computer to find the development response and select Upload. Submit Development, Step 5. The development response will appear at the bottom of the screen once you select Upload. Multiple files can be uploaded. To add another file, simply select Browse, find the file on your computer, and click Upload. Submit Development, Step 6. You will receive notification that documents were uploaded successfully. Once all the documentation is uploaded, select Submit Development Response. Important. We have a few important reminders for submitting a development response via the gateway. You will want to make sure that you are on the correct jurisdiction before accessing the gateway. When accessing the Novitas website, you want to make sure to pick jurisdiction H or jurisdiction L dependent on your state. The gateway will only bring up the states within that jurisdiction. Gateway will only accept files in portable document format or PDF. To respond to development via the gateway, the initial application must have been submitted in the gateway. Lastly, if your application gets rejected or denied and you need to submit a new application, you will have to start the application process from the beginning.
Thank you for attending. We encourage you to visit our website at www.novitas-solutions.com to access additional on-demand resources or participate in our educational events. Visit our Learning Center to access the most current Medicare education.